Jag ger introt. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Buzzwords bingo, but this time we have not prepared at all. We are just gonna go and I'm gonna go the first one. So Niklas, what is this? UAT.
Unidentified aerial technology.
No, user acceptance test.
Of course.
Okay.
Helena, what is PLN?
Profit and loss.
Yes.
So
How do you use it in a sentence?
Oh, Helena, you have to do a P&L analysis for next year.
Good enough.
Okay. You have to hide your MC. And then next one. Kind of related to the one we had before.
I don't know.
System integration test.
Helena, what is BOGO?
Oh, I have no idea.
Buy one, get one.
Okay. Okay, so for you we have MDM.
I don't know.
Okay, master data management.
FTP?
I don't know what FTP is, but everybody's like always, oh, it's on the FTP server.
Yeah, file transfer protocol. It's like HTTPS.
Okay, next one for you. This one.
I don't know.
FANG. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and Google. A way to summarize it. This was before they were named Alphabet and Meta. I don't know. I'm just frozen. Reality something.
Yeah, some reality.
Yeah, but it's not VR. It's not virtual reality. What?
No. Augmented reality.
Augmented. Oh God.
Yeah.
And then we have
GID.
GUID. Yeah, what does it stand for?
I don't know.
Global Unique Identifier.
Zero.
Zero. Corporate. No, I was thinking CSO, Corporate Social Responsibility. That's not it. Sorry. I'm just frozen. What is it?
Version rate optimizing.
Okay.
5 out of 5.
No.
Did you know them all? Please leave a comment.
Yeah, and have a nice
Thursday.
day.